Hi friends, welcome to Excel Adventurous. So today I'm going to share with you double the marker with match formula. So as you can see, we are using a match formula with index and match formula with VLOOKUP. So why? Because when we have a data which contains both horizontal and vertical, and we want to get a result based on the two criteria, like the horizontal criteria and the vertical criteria. So at that time normal VLOOKUP will not help us. So why? Let's see how the normal VLOOKUP will work. So is equal to VLOOKUP, and we are taking a lookup value as the product, and then table array we need to start from here to here, then the column index number. So as we know, like we want to get a result based on the two criteria, like here we want to the criteria of horizontal is small, medium and large. So we want based on the uh, size, not as a column number, and we are taking as an exact match. So we are entering, it will ask for reference, because in normal VLOOKUP, if you mention any text for column index number, if you mention as a text, then it will not take it as a column number. So for that, another solution is, if you take another column, and here if I mention a number like 2, so it will give the number of shoe is for 600 small, like, but we don't want like this. So that's the reason VLOOKUP or index will work with match function. So how it will work, let's see. It's equal to, first I will use for index, and for array we need to take a full data, and then for row number I'm using a match. So match, first we need to take a row. So for that I'm selecting a product, because product is in different row, and then the lookup array, our table starts from product here, so we need to take it as from this to this, then exact match, and comma, and for column index number, so again I am using a match function. So match function, I am taking a size, so we have a different sizes, and the arrays we need to start from here to here, then the exact match. So close the bracket, now close the index bracket and enter 1500. So shoe for a large 1500, and if I take it as medium, it will go for a 950, and if I change to kurta 2240, the medium one, right? So the same trick we are using for our VLOOKUP one now. So is equal to VLOOKUP, lookup value is our product, then the table array we need to start from here to here, and then the column index number. For column we are using a match, so match, here we need to take a size, then the lookup array is from here to here, then the match type is exactly match, close it, and now take a exact match of VLOOKUP, close the bracket, enter. Both will give the proper result, right? So if I change it to shoes 950 medium one, so if I take it to large 1500, and if I change to jacket, will give the result, right? So yeah, hope you all got the point of how we are using the match function with the different one like index and the VLOOKUP, and how we will get a proper result by using the match function. So like, share and comment, and if you have any doubt with it, so let's comment your doubts, we can clear with that. Thank you.